In Johannes 1 vers 9 wat sê as jy jou sonde bely. As jy jou sonde bely, dan is God getrou en regverdig. So hierdie gedeelte gaan nog verder in hierdie gedeelte waar ons sien van Christus wat bid vir hulle verlossing. As hy daardie Vrydag net sou sterf, dan was hy net nog 'n vals leraar. Net nog 'n misdadiger aan die kruis. That's what makes this weekend so important, because it didn't end there. We've got God's word to hold on to. 2 Corinthians 5 verse 21 says this beautiful part. It says, God made him who had no sin to be sin for us, so that we might become the righteousness of God. We did not deserve that, but he did that for us. Do you realize that Jesus gave his life willingly for you? And yet we keep on going back, keep on making excuses, keep on saying next time. Volgende keer, Here, ek sal daarby uitkom is net nou, net hierdie week. Dis nie so erg nie. Jesus het sy hele lewe vir ons kom gee. Hy het sy bloed gestort vir ons. He promised to give his blood in Matthew 26 verse 28. He said, I give my blood, this blood of the covenant, which is poured out for many. His blood was poured out so that we may live.